This over here is your living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with. As we enter into the master bedroom, you have a foyer area. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Kohinoor Eden by Kohinoor Group located in Kalyan East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me are the actual towers and the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the clubhouse where we will be going later. And you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The road you can see leads you directly to Kalyan railway station and the Kalyan Shilpata highway. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now we are standing at the green deck of the clubhouse of the project. Behind me you can see all the towers of the project. And now let us talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 7.5 acres that has total of 7 towers, out of which 4 are OC received. Remaining 3 have ground plus 23 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available in the project. And now we will be talking about the amenities of the project. This project has 50 plus luxurious amenities. Now we are entering the clubhouse of the project. Let me give you a glimpse. To my left, you have the community hall. To my right, you can have a look at the mini theatre. As you move forward, besides the mini theatre, you have a music room. As you move forward, you have amenities on both the sides of the clubhouse. First, let us move on this side. As you move forward, to the left, you have the washrooms. Over here, you have your toddler's room, which is very beautifully designed. Moving forward, over here you have your power play zone where you have a squash court. Beside the squash court is your badminton court. And now, besides your badminton court, you have your yoga zone for your meditation and peaceful evenings. And now, let's move to the other side of the clubhouse and let me give you a glimpse to the other amenities. As we move forward, over here we have your library area for all the readers. Besides your library, you have a green deck where you can easily enjoy your evenings, morning walks, whatever you wish to. And as we move forward, this over here is the entrance to your indoor games section. Before that, on this side, we have your gym, which is very spacious and have all the equipments that you need. And now we are entering into the indoor game zone that has variety of games for variety of people. As we move in, you can see you have variety of games in this indoor games area, and this area is also very spacious. You can enjoy your weekends, holidays with your friends and family over here in your indoor games section. And this was your amenities of the project. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Malang Road, Kalyan East, from where Kalyan East railway station is at a distance of 3.5 kilometers. Dombivli railway station is at a distance of 3.5 kilometers. Also, you have Kalyan Shilfata highway at a distance of 800 meters, and upcoming metro is at a distance of 800 meters from the project. Also, if you want to know about more projects in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Before starting with the sample flat tour, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual lobby of the project in the actual tower, and this over here is an actual flat. This is a 2 BHK that is spread across the carpet area of 602 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in your living. Also, if you want, you can place a dining table in this corner of 4 people very easily. Also, in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a balcony, from where you can also have a look into your society and you can see the actual towers. Moving forward, over here in this corner, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You have ventilation windows provided in the kitchen. You have space provided to place a refrigerator as well. Moving forward, over here we have the entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your common washroom is your first bedroom, where you can place your bed, side tables and customize your wardrobe. You will be getting vitrified tiles in this bedroom as well, and the whole flat. Again, on one side you have half French windows with glass facade that will give you beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree tour of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter into the master bedroom, you have a foyer area, and to the left you have wardrobe space provided that will give you a walk-in wardrobe feel. And as we move forward, this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your bed and your side tables. Again, you will be getting walkable space even after placing your furniture. Again, you have half French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony look. In this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kohinoor Eden by Kohinoor Group. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kohinoor Eden by Kohinoor Group located in Kalyan East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.